Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Universe Bound. This is a monthly science fiction book subscription box, I should say. Each package comes with 2 books, all brand new. They can be classic, they can be current, and they can be new releases. But they're all from indie book printers, I should say, and they're all sci-fi fantasy type, that genre. This box, just gonna give you a second, give me a second. This box also has loose leaf tea, candies, bath items, candles, all sorts of stuff in here, bookmarkers. I call them bookmarkers, but I think they're called bookmarks. I don't know why I say that. It's just something that I'll do. So anyway, it's $32.99 monthly. I do have a coupon code, Ashley10, that'll give you 10% off your first box in a 1, 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. So I'm excited. This did come when I received it. I've done another one of these. I'm sure you guys, if you watch, you know. It came in another outer box. I don't know if they do that for subscribers. This is a reviewer box, so it beats me. So here you open it up, and this is what it looks like. We have this is their second box. And on the back here, it tells you each of the items that was included. First, right off the top, we have the Reader's Journal. This is a Mythical Legends publishing, basically a review. Like, you can review all the books you've read. So, you see the pages, how it's set up. Isn't that cool? If you don't remember, like, I don't remember details in books or movies. Like, this is a thing me and my husband, like, kind of, were like, what? I will meet, this is, like, totally kind of off topic, too. I'll meet somebody and I will remember their name. If they tell me something about them, I'll remember it forever. Like, I will never forget. I'll see them somewhere and be like, oh, hey, how are you? How's blank? How's that going? But, like, when we watch a movie or read a book or something, details, like, I just don't remember them. My husband will remember details in movies, books, all that stuff forever. And he can't remember when people's names. Like, I don't remember. That's something that I'm good at, I guess. So anyway, so this is good for someone like me. That was the roundabout way of me saying that. And it goes through, like, definitions of different genres, book list and directory. So you go book, author, journal page. So you can quickly reference where you've put everything in here. That's really cool. All right, so that's our first item. And now we're down to the little other items. All right. First up, we have this Universe Bound Ylang Ylang candle. So Ylang Ylang is like a fruit, I think. But it's like a very, yeah, this is like very like almost licorice-y, you know? And then it has glitter, isn't it? Do you see it? Ooh, that's fancy. I love the color though. That's cool. All right. We've got some, I'm guessing, I don't know what's in here. I wonder if I'll still get 2 books or, oh, look, they're little biscuits. They're little shortbreads. These are Lorna Doones. Isn't that cute? They came in this little bag. Oh, that's cute. So there's that. My kids will eat those. My kids will eat anything, to be honest. I think I say that all the time. Ooh, there's a Noni's Biscotti. Almond dark chocolate biscotti from Noni. I love biscotti. Yum, yum. I can't eat them, though. Diets! Universe Bound tea and treats. So they come in these little tins and they'll put candies. Like, look at all these candies. They're always like Werther's or coffee flavored or something like that. And this is full of them, which I think is really cool. They're very generous. And then we have this, which is probably our tea. Last month, I think it came from the Tea Spot, if I remember correctly. Not sure. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like lemon. We'll look at the card then. All right, now we're down to our books. Oh my gosh. And there are 2 in here, which is cool. So they technically send 3 books. All right, first we have Legacy by Michelle E. Lowe. A thief, a lover, and a toy maker drawn together by fate, unlikely champions against a powerful and remorseless enemy. When not fighting each other, they must confront a powerful lord and end his plan to unleash global violence. But behind the scenes, the immortal trickster is manipulating men like puppets, changing history for his own amusement, and as an ancient plan is set into motion, the trio are faced with events they do not understand and may not survive. Ooh, that's exciting. All right, next. Oh, there's another biscotti. They sent us 2 biscottis. That's nice. Okay, and then there's bookmarks. There's 3 of them here. And then, ooh, Ashley, what are you doing? All right, and then we have Gunpowder Alchemy in the Gunpowder Chronicles. This is a U.S. Today best-selling author, Jeannie Lin, I'm not sure. In 1842, the gunpowder might of China's Jing dynasty fell to Britain's steam engines. Furious, the emperor ordered the death of his engineers, eliminating China's best chance of fighting back. Since her father's execution 8 years ago, Jin Soling has kept her family from falling apart, with her mother addicted to opium and her younger brother in a danger of being sent off to the factories. Soling has no choice but to sell off the last of her father's possessions. Ooh, that's sad. Unwittingly, her actions bring her to the attention of the imperial court, the same court that betrayed her father. The crown prince has launched a secret mission to bring together the remnants of the former Ministry of Science to restore her family's name. Soling must track down the rebel alchemist who holds the key to powering the imperial fleet. Her only ally is a man she's just met, the engineer with a mysterious past who was once meant to be her husband. So there's that. And then we have this little card down here. Goals this month of books to read. This was for November, but there's also December on the back. As y'all know, I'm never on time. Okay, so let's look at the card and kind of go over what everything is. I'm making a big mess here. All right. Ta-da! All right. Legacy by Michelle Lowe and Gunpowder Alchemy. We know about those. The Reader's Journal, The Universe Bound Candle in Ylang Ylang, Treats, Coffee Bean and Caramel Candy. It doesn't say who sent the tea. Shortbread biscuit cookies. It just says lemon hibiscus. I was right about that. I kind of knew that though, but I always like to see if I was right. So that is everything that I received in my Universe Bound box. I think this is really cool. If you're into sci-fi fiction, it's a cool box. They send a lot of stuff. I like how they put the candies in the little tins. I think that's really nice. A nice little extra, little bonus, little perk. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I'll also link to Universe Bound. Tell me what genre books you guys like. I'm curious what's your favorite. If a lot of you are into sci-fi, my husband's really into sci-fi. I always let him. He's already read the 2 books from the last box, and he's really liked them. So let me know what you like. I'd love to know. See you guys. Talk to you later. See you later. Next time. You know what I'm saying.